Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to make keyword or do a keyword research on Fiverr. Now on Fiverr you can actually do a keyword research here, but let's just click on it. I'll show you. So once you click on the Fiverr keyword research, which is just in the drop down option of the analytics section, you'd see a section like this, which um this is for the premium Fiverr users to join the seller plus. Now this is like a paid service, so you have to pay to get to find the best keywords, and so you stand out from the competition. But if you do not have okay, and the price is $19 a month. Honestly, if you have this funds, I feel you should actually go for this. But if you want something else, or you're looking for the fastest way to go about it, I suggest you go and download this particular extension, Fiverr Quick View. So what you just do is copy it and take go to the Chrome web store, then impute the Fiverr Quick View to get your extension. Yes, this is it, the one with the light bulb icon. Then click on add to Chrome. Yes, add extension. Then we just wait for some minutes or seconds so that it would, okay, it's done. It should automatically get installed. Good. So all you have to do now is just to wait, and it should kick off automatically. So we will have to register our details here, input our details here, and then we will proceed. So I'm going to input my details and click on writing and translation. Then I've clicked on the register icon. So it say my registration is completed, so I have to just go back to Fiverr and see the effect. Okay, I think we should reload the page. Once you reload the page, it should appear this way. It may take some time since it's first time, but definitely you can see the all the keywords are now shown publicly. So if you look closely, the ones with the truck delivery are the ones that are in orders, and then the red ones here, these are all the let's say reviews he or she have gotten over time. Or you can just check, you can, okay, yes, this is the favorite, this is the, oh, I'm sorry, the truck one is are the others, the heart icon are the favorites, and the reviews are the stars. So you can scroll through and see the trending keywords, then pick from your niche and then use it to build your account. So this is just the best way to go about it, and with time you would actually scale up. If you've enjoyed this video so far, let me know in the comment section. I will now see you guys in the next one. Also, please subscribe to the channel.